What's up, you guys? This is HJ here, and in today's demonstration, I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your Twitch to your OBS studio, and this also works for Streamlabs OBS as well. So if you guys are not familiar with Streamlabs OBS, it is basically the more detailed version of this software, basically. What you guys are going to want to do, you guys are going to come down here where my cursor is to settings and left click on that. It's going to pop up this window right here, and you're going to see a list of different settings. And what I'm going to do is click on the stream tab right here, connect it using the Twitch service. So hit connect account, and you're going to want to log in with your username and password. Now give me 1 second. I'm going to type my in and blur it out. All right, after you guys do that, sometimes it likes to email you a code. So I'm going to do that and then come right back. All right, so now your Twitch is going to be connected. And then you're going to want to hit apply to gain your docs and your stream information over here on the left. So I'm going to exit out of this, take this and bring it to the left side of your screen and dock it. And then bring this one and drag this one to the right side. That's your chat, and dock it as well. And you guys can also resize these as need be. I hope this helps you guys connect your Twitch account or any of your other accounts to OBS Studio and Streamlabs OBS. I'm HJ. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys after my break.